Okay, welcome to our YouTube channel. You pressed this video because you wanted a link. So let's talk about the links to Irish jobs or the links to the jobs in Ireland. I know we get a lot of comments on our videos. People are asking for the links to the jobs. Some they specify which links they want. Some they just say, "Can I have a link to apply?" Okay. So I'm just gonna cover a few things about the links that make it like impossible for me to just when you comment saying, "Can I have a link?" And it's not as easy as me taking a link and sending it to you. Number one, there's a video that I posted. That video I was talking about the Irish companies that have employed people and sponsored visas in 2025. So if you're asking for a link to those lists, it's impossible because which one are you asking the link for? That list has over 200 companies in healthcare, in engineering, in IT, in there's a lot. So when you just comment asking for the list, which part and which company are you asking for the link to? So I advise you to go back to the list if you can get to the list on that video where I talk about the companies that sponsored visas. Now, on that list, it advises you following your career what qualifications do you have? What experience do you have? Compare to the companies that sponsored visas. What visas did they sponsor for? Then now you can contact a company because you have seen a proof that they sponsored maybe 25 visas 2025. Now it's 2026. Chances are that they may sponsor other 25 visas or maybe 30 this year. Now it's your time to contact those companies and find out how. And it's easy to contact those companies because I already gave you the list of companies. You have the name of the company. Go to your Google, search for the company. When you search for the company, go to their career section. On the career section, you're going to find emails, phone numbers, and they advertise jobs that you can actually apply for. And most of those companies that offer visas on the job list, there will be the ones that are visa sponsored and there will be ones that are not visa sponsored. They are looking for people that are already in the country and already have the right to work in the country. So that's how it works. It's impossible for you to say I should send you maybe even one email or link of some of those companies to you so you can apply, because remember, let's be realistic in a way. I send you right now, if you say send me a link and I send you an email address, that email address you don't even know which company is it, what do they want and what's their vision right now. What post do they have that is open? I just send you the link, which is the email, because I believe when someone says a link they want the email, right? I send you the email address. What are you going to say to that company when you first contacting them? Like, let's be honest, what are you going to say? I have given you the email address right now. Now send them a message. What are you going to say? Because you don't know which company is it. You don't know what do they want. You don't know what's their vision, their mission. What are they working on? You don't know what kind, is it healthcare or construction or bus driving company. What are you gonna say? So I feel like the part where someone comments saying, "Can I have a link?" It doesn't really, to me, it even strikes as if you're not doing your research, you're not following all of my videos or some of my videos to understand what it takes for you to apply for a job in Ireland. Okay, then because we have, I think I have explained to you, it's almost impossible for me to just send you a link. I have given a list of companies that sponsored visas. I have two videos giving list of companies that are always or mostly employing and sponsor visas in healthcare, because healthcare is one of the sections where most people contact saying, I have a healthcare qualifications, I have a care certificate, and I want to apply for a job. I have given companies that specialize on those, that sponsor visas on healthcare certificates. And I have talked about the level 5 qualification that you have to have in the driver's license. Then follow those videos and go to the companies, apply straight. There's a video that I made previous to this one about LinkedIn. Try to get your LinkedIn account also professional and apply for jobs. You do not need any link from me. You do not need any link from anyone else, because that's another reason people get scammed. You contact people that are struggling in Ireland. Just because you are in Africa, the person is in Europe. And the minute you hear or you find out that the person is in Europe, you contact them saying, can I have a link of a company that can take me, that can employ me to get a job so that I can come? The person that is struggling in Europe, because there are people that are struggling. I have heard people saying the grass is always greener on the other side. Okay. So remember that as you thinking that the grass is greener in Europe, or at least you are in Africa, it might not be as green as you think. Or it might be green, but not for everyone. There is a part where it's green, there's a part where it's not green. And there are people that are already in Europe, but they are living in the part that is not green. And yourself, because you want link, you are desperate for a link, you send a message to someone asking for a link so that you can get a job in Ireland. And that's the funny part. People that are asking for links, they never really go through and do research and follow up. You're asking for a link, and the person decides to give you a link, but that link is fake. It's their friend. Then the friend says, oh, welcome to this company. We have a visa and a job for you. You have, and sometimes they don't even write the job description. They don't, you hear that you have been approved for a job. So now send money for so that they can process your things. You start sending money to process things. But when someone comes to ask you, what job did you apply for? What position? What was the description for the job? And what was the requirements for the job? You don't know anything. You just got a link, you applied, and they are scamming you. They are in the middle of a serious scam. You applied, now they are saying send money for so that they can process your documents. You are sending money to be processed. Guys, people are hungry. Stop asking for links and follow the instructions that I give you to applying for jobs professionally. I'm not here to scam anyone. I'm not here to share links. I'm not, this is why anything that I do, even the monthly webinar that I do, uh, I don't send links for you to pay money. I don't send links for you to do anything. I tell you, go to our website, itubadeisopportunity.ie, so that .eu, so that you can see our programs that we offer, so that you can pay for something that you want, and you get to be sent whatever that you need professionally. There is no link that you're gonna get from me, and there is no link that is professional, that is straight, that is gonna lend you your career, that you get from someone who is in Europe. Chances are that those links, they will eat your money. If you want a proper job, a real job, follow my instructions. Go to the companies, fix your professional accounts like LinkedIn and your Indeed. Some people, they use Indeed a lot to apply for jobs. Put those, fix them, make it professional, update them, and go out to apply for jobs. Research about companies. The companies that I give you the list, Google them, find out their address, find out, because if you're gonna wait for a link from me, it means you're gonna wait forever. Because guys, I work in a different company compared to what I talk about. I'm a civil engineer, but I talk about healthcare jobs. I talk about truck driving jobs. I talk about IT jobs. I talk about accountant jobs. It doesn't mean I have link to all those jobs. No, I don't have the links, but I have companies that are recruiting. I have list of companies that have sponsored visas before. So if I give you that list, go all out and do your own research and follow the company and contact the company. The company will take you in. That's the only way to get a job. So before I leave and before I cut this video, I would say in Ireland, for you to get a job, there are 3 ways to get a job. Number one, it's LinkedIn, Indeed, jobs.ie. You know those jobs search accounts. Use them. You will get a job. I know. I lived in South Africa before. There was a time when I looked for a job to a point that I even gave up on using Indeed. I thought Indeed doesn't work. I thought it's just a scam. But here in Ireland, it works. And I believe even in South Africa, it does work because in South Africa, before I left, I was applying for jobs almost on Indeed. I used to go to companies, do works in, dropping off my CV. By the time I had given up and relocated to Ireland, 2 years later, I received 2 job offers for civil engineering students, junior civil engineering positions, offering me to come work. The other one that offered me a position was Tefla. While other students that I graduated with from college, they were saying, oh, we don't get jobs, we don't get anything. Even now, I graduated with them 2019, 2020. But even now, some of them are sitting at home saying there are no jobs, there is no jobs in construction. But myself, when I left, I got offers. And I know that I was impatient then. But if I had like continued looking further and trying my chances, I was gonna get something because those offers were on the way. It means they were coming. Just that maybe God had something different for me because right now I'm in a different country, different state, everything is different. But keep on applying. Indeed, LinkedIn, and follow up, you will get something. And another part that you can get a job, this is the one that I advise the most. When I give you the name of the company, when someone gives you the name of the company, go to their website, go to the career sections, see the positions that they have, the positions that they're offering. And there is always an email address to contact the HR if you have a question about anything. Contact the HR, talk to them. They will give you something, they will respond to you. That's the second one. The third one is what do they call it? Like inside, like internal referrals, internal referral. Yes. So now this one, it's there in almost every country. In South Africa, I used to know that when a company is looking for people, they will tell the internal staff first, we are looking for people who have this and this and this. And sometimes when the internal staff know someone or they what, they even rush and tomorrow bring a auntie, a cousin, someone, and introduce them to the boss and say, okay, this person has these qualifications that you are looking for. Then boom, that person got a job. So those, they are still there almost everywhere. Even in Ireland, they are internal referrals and they work. But now it becomes a different story when you are in Africa and you asking me that because I'm in Ireland, I'm working for a company already in Ireland, so I should internally refer you to that company. I'm going to be straightforward with you. I don't know you. Even if you are my follower, I love you so much. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for following my videos. But let's be honest. How can I refer someone that is we met through YouTube, we met through what? So the company has to go through the right procedures. They have to do cara vetting to make sure that you don't have any cases or criminal records or anything. Those have to be done. There's professional things that need to be done before someone. It's unlike when I bring my cousin to the company and say, okay, this person has this qualification that has been, I'm talking about what I know because that cousin have a qualification, they've been working on this, I know everything about them. It's easy to refer them. And also most of the times the internal one, they work locally. if I'm here in Ireland and my company says tomorrow they need other engineers, I can go home and talk to my friend who's an engineer that, oh, in our work they need more engineers. The cousin can come, the friend can come. But I can't just go to Africa and say, oh, my work needs this. It's out of the line. So yes, internal they work, but it should be local in a way. So don't just go around asking people that are in Ireland to send you links, or to, because I have a YouTube channel where I talk about jobs. You're asking for links. I don't have any links. These are the three ways a person can get a job. Referral, but that one is rare, and you have to really know someone. Then the one where this is the straightforward one. Go to the company, look for jobs, and apply under their career section. Then the one where you apply online using job search things, which is Indeed, LinkedIn, those profiles, they work, people get jobs with them. Be patient, take your time, and keep working on your career, and never give up on yourself. Do not give up. It can take 1 year, 2 years, but you're going to get that job that you want. Thank you so much.